look. Wednesday, who's on the TV?
Doing karaoke?
There, look at Vic, look.
Man, those are the same pants I have all the time.
Who is that, Wednesday? You should dance like Daddy does. Watch the video and dance like Daddy.
That's in your Corona house, boys.
Yeah, come on, Daddy, get up, Rob, get up.
Oh God, he's getting dressed. I mean, undressed.
Do it, Wednesday, do it. Woo, wee. Woo. Do it, Wednesday. Woo.
You're gonna take off your shirt.
Eric filmed this.
No, you don't have to take your shirt off.
No, Sarah filmed it. Eric's sitting in the corner.
Look at her go.
Do it, Mama.
He's going Yeah. Look at him go. Kick out of her. Look at her go. Oh!
Damn, Sam.
You can't get up to dance. Come on. Oh, come on, Daddy.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
You got that off of me.
Come on, do it. I'm gonna do it too. You gotta do it.
Sorry.
You have to take your shirt off.
Don't lose his pants.
Oh, Wednesday, you're doing so
Rob, don't sit down.
Pants.
Go, do it. What do you want? He's doing it.
Do it.
Put your hands up like this. There you go. What? Wednesday.
It's a long damn song.
That's a lot of energy.
Yeah, there you go. Yay, yay, yay.
I like this part. Watch.
You got the same pants on. Kitty.
No, this is Eric's pants over.
Look at him go. Wow.
How many views do you have on this?
It's 700 or something.
What?
The other one was 28,000.
You done, Wednesday?
How much?
She's worn out. She's worn out. Look at it.
Oh, you're tired?
I don't blame you. Look at him go. How about that?